Performing a special tax season payment refund estimate is simple and will require only a few minutes. To get started, log in with your dealership username and password. On the main menu, select Create Estimate. Enter the client's Social Security number, name, date of birth, cell phone number, and email address in the required fields. If the client is going to file jointly with a spouse, enter their information in the fields below. Next, select a filing status that will be used by the client when filing their future tax return. In the section below, indicate how many dependents are going to be claimed by the client on their future tax return. These fields are separated by the dependent's age and relationship to the client. Next, while using the client's most recent pay stub, enter the amount of gross year-to-date earnings in the corresponding fields, as well as the gross year-to-date federal withholdings. Please note that it is very common for a client to have $0 in federal withholdings. If you have any questions about the gross year-to-date earnings or year-to-date federal withholdings on a client's last or most recent pay stub, please call TaxMax at any time. Please do not include any Social Security, Medicare, or state income tax withholdings in this field. Also, if the client had more than one employer throughout the tax year, a last pay stub for each job must be entered in the fields below, as well as any unemployment that was received. If the client is considered self-employed or an independent contractor and does not have a last or most recent pay stub, please call TaxMax at the phone number below to receive a refund estimate over the phone. In fact, you are encouraged to call this phone number at any time if you or the client have any questions when completing a tax refund estimate. When completed, select Next. On the following screen, a refund estimate will appear. Below the refund estimate, TaxMax will provide you with a suggested dollar amount to go no more than when scheduling a special tax season payment that you will have to collect at a later date, when their actual tax refund will be released. If you or the client have any questions or concerns as towards the amount of the refund estimate, please call the number below to speak with a TaxMax representative. Next, click on the button below to generate the fourth quarter sales agreement. On this form, the client can initial and sign. By signing this form, the client gives you permission to call the U.S. Treasury Offset Hotline. This automated hotline will indicate if your client has any government debts, such as default student loans, back child support, or any other non-income tax government debt that may reduce, delay, or intercept their refund. If the client agrees to schedule a special tax season payment in their contract, you can now have the client watch the Secure Close Avatar video by clicking Text Secure Close Video to Customer button on the main menu and then enter the client's cell phone number when prompted. The client can now watch the Secure Close Avatar video, which will now explain to the client that in their contract, they now have a special tax season payment which is scheduled for a later date, and that they can use their tax refund to help make their special tax season payment when filing their tax return with TaxMax. The last step is very important. On the main menu, you must answer the question, does customer have a special tax season payment? If you answer yes, TaxMax will begin a drip campaign via email, phone, and text to remind the client that they have a scheduled special tax season payment and the benefits of using TaxMax to file their tax return. If you don't answer the Does Customer Have a Special Tax Season Payment question, a pop-up will appear each time you log into TaxMax until the question is answered. If you or your client have any questions, please call TaxMax at any time. 813-987-2199.